Chadwick Sam. Chadwick Sam.
We have Pankaj here from Rotary. Pankaj. So many of you have heard about Rotary. I'm been a Rotary member for almost, we both have been together Rotary members for 17, 18 years?
Yeah, I think 17 odd years.
17 odd years. So Rotary is basically an NGO which, if you heard of the polio, the full polio vaccine across the world, the whole chain is run by Rotary. And our very famous Mr. Bill Gates has donated a huge amount of money for this particular thing. So Pankaj, over to you.
$55 million.
$55 million.
$355 million since 2009 has been donated by Bill Gates and Melinda Foundation. And Rotary has been fighting to eliminate polio around the world for the last 25 years. And as of today, there were 4 countries left with polio. And very shortly, there will be only 3 because India will also soon be declared polio free. This has been possible. This has been possible with the help of all the municipal corporations in the various cities and talukas of India. And for the last 1 year, there has not been any single case that has been reported. So there is a cutoff date set by the World Health Organization. And once we can meet that cutoff date without a single case being detected or coming up, then India will be declared polio free. That's now one of the jobs that Rotary does. It is probably one of the largest foundation in the world. And a very time-tested organization. It has survived the test of time for over 100 years. It was started in 1905 and is still running strong with its presence in more than 200 countries with over 1.2 million members representing it all over the world. Now, the good part about Rotary is it believes in community service derived out of fellowship. Now, one would like to think that what can one do on their own? It's when I joined Rotary, I was also of an opinion that I must give back something to society. But as a one man, it becomes very difficult to do much about the ills that we see in society. After being invited to Rotary, it became so much more easier and so much more profitable in the sense of not earning money, but in profitable in the sense of getting satisfaction, that we were able to make a difference. To just note down a few of the jobs that have been going on of late, we have in Mumbai itself, we have done about 200 plus pediatric heart surgeries at Kokilaben Hospital, absolutely free of cost. And mind you, each surgery is costing about over 2 lakh rupees. This is all totally funded by Rotary. We're doing any number of cataract operations, and those are things that are going on and on and on. Like giving some bicycles, 2,000, 3,000 odd bicycles to village girls in the tribal area. The last project that we have done is build about 100 homes in near a district in Maharashtra for the tribal people with joining this organization called Habitat. Am I right, Ram? Yeah. Yeah, we did about 100 homes. Each home was costing about 1,40,000 rupees. So all this is these are some of the small jobs that Rotary is doing in Mumbai. And it's not only taking, we are also giving. For example, for countries that are not as well developed or as well endowed as India, like Africa, we send out teams of medical experts over there to take care of their medical needs, set up clinics and set up medical care units over there. So this is something what Rotary does. And most importantly, what it does is it gives you a friendship for lifetime. Can you imagine at say 50 years of age, you join an organization and you know that you can make a friend for lifetime? It's very rarely that something like this happens, maybe at your place of work or your neighborhood or something. But in an organization, you come and meet somebody who's a total stranger, and there you realize that he is a friend of a lifetime. So this is the kind of networking it does, is because you can walk into any Rotary Club in any part of the world, attend a meeting there, network with them, meet them, and so on and so forth. That is the beauty of this organization. We meet once a week. You know, the moment you are invited to join, your date for the meetings are fixed, because the club that you would join has got a fixed date and time for meeting every week. So you cannot say that I don't have the time or something like that, because it is already fixed. So your next 1 year's program, you know, let's say for example, every Tuesday at 10 o'clock it meets at X place. So you know in your diary that this time is booked permanently.
Great, great.
This is something about Rotary.
Fantastic.
Anybody want to know anything else? I'm here, there's Ramu also here who can talk. And I see a couple of other faces also I recognize. So these are people who can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Panki.